Hey guys, what is up? My name is Shane and welcome to my garage here. Today I'm going to be working on the 408 stroker here. I'm going to start off with doing the main bearings here, along with the oil seal back here. All of the bottom ones are in there, so I'll get that rear seal in there. I don't know if you can see it. It protrudes to the right. So that is supposed to be installed basically towards the pan, towards the inner part of the motor. So I've got my silicone in there. I'm just gonna spread it with a screwdriver real quick. Not 100% sure if you're supposed to put the silicone in where the seal goes, but I'm doing it anyway. Used a little too much silicone. Same seal on the cap, so I'll put the cap just like how it's gonna go and put it towards the middle. Alright, so that cap is ready to go on. So we'll sit this one there. We'll get the other ones ready. So this is cap number 1. There's a number 1 on it. And that one. Cap number 2. Number 2 is ready to go. I'm gonna skip 3, do 4. Cap number 4 is ready to go. Cap number 3 gets this kind of side skirt kind of thing. They're all ready, so I'm gonna get some of my Lucas oil and just put on all the bearings, make sure they're all clean. This is basically the only time I ever get to use my, well, I'm not actually sure what this is called. So I just spent a whole lot of time figuring this out, make mistakes. So this actually is the end cap for this motor actually that came off of here, and that's the right one with the rest of the caps there. This is my second set of caps here, and I actually was going to use these caps, and I did use 4 of them, but I went with the main cap off of another motor here, just because, if you can see there, it's a bit pushed in, right? The cap is actually broken. It's a little hard to see. Let's see if you can see it better. So it's broken there. So I was going to use this cap because this cap is not broken, obviously. But I put that cap on, and it was really tough to turn the motor. I had to use my 2-foot breaker bar just to turn it, and it was still kind of tough to turn. So, yeah, it goes to show that you gotta use the right parts and use the parts that came with it that were already proven to work. That's what I just spent like an hour trying to figure out.
I haven't seen any rain dragging around a ball and chain.
That took an hour and 40 minutes. That was a while, but you know, it's in there, so Good stuff. Alright, so I'm just checking these rings here real quick. Just taking measurements here. I've got my feeler gauge over here. So that's 16 thousandths or 0.016. I think that's called 16 thousandths. That fits in there. So let's go 4.030 times 0.004 is what it says to do. And that is just a little bit bigger than 0.016. It looks like they're pretty close to being perfect, actually. So good job on Hastings. These are the old pistons. You can see standard bore. My new 30 thousandths over pistons right there. I've got to get these rods off of these pistons and put them on new pistons. Other than that, I mean, put the rings on the pistons and then get them in the bores. As long as I line the rod up correctly, got the correct orientation with the cutouts are supposed to go, let's see, they're supposed to go like that, I think. Don't remember right now, but as long as I get the piston and the rod on there correctly, and then I get everything in there in the bore correctly, I'll be home free, really. And then from there, it's actually a lot easier, just because you can make a lot of mistakes. I've made a lot of mistakes already with the pistons and the rods and putting everything in there correctly, because it all goes in one way, one correct way. If you enjoyed this video of me putting the camshaft in the motor, well, give it a like and comment if you have any questions on the motor, on the car, on the garage, stuff I'm working on, whatever. So, yeah. Thanks for watching.